The Four Lenses Refresher from The Good Project. The Good Project talks about four lenses for framing dilemma discussions. The first of the lenses is roles. The second is responsibilities. The third is values. And the fourth is alignment and misalignment. What are roles? Roles are the different roles or identities a person can inhabit during their day or during their life. So, for example, you could be a doctor in your profession, you could be a father, a mother, or a child in your family, and your hobby could be being a dancer. All of these are different roles you could inhabit. What are our various responsibilities? People can feel responsible to themselves and their own ideals. People can feel responsible to their family or their friends. People can feel responsible to their community and the people in their community, to their profession and the ideals of their profession, and to the wider world. Who or what are you responsible to? What are values? Values are often principles or beliefs that we find important in our lives or that we hold dear to ourselves. They could be something like curiosity, they could be something like respect, or they could be something like diligence or tenacity or many others. What are your values? What is alignment and misalignment? It's looking at whether people or stakeholders are in harmony or discord. It's looking at whether people want the same things or if they don't want the same things. It's looking at whether their goals are going in the same direction or if they're going in a different direction. It's looking at whether people are in tension or if they're not in tension with one another. That's what alignment and misalignment is. The four lenses are particularly helpful for discussing dilemmas. At The Good Project, we have the 5 Ds for discussing dilemmas: define, discuss, deliberate, decide, and brief. After defining a dilemma, you discuss a dilemma and consider what are the factors that make this situation a dilemma. This is the point at which you can bring in the 4 lenses. You can consider, are the 4 lenses things that have been part of what defined this as a dilemma? Here are different questions regarding the 4 lenses that you can consider when discussing a dilemma. For roles, what are the different roles that people in the dilemma are inhabiting? How are the roles potentially in conflict with one another? For responsibilities, what are the various responsibilities that people in the dilemma are balancing? Again, are they in conflict? For values, what values do the people in the dilemma hold dear to themselves? Are any of those values in tension or conflict? And for alignment and misalignment, do different stakeholders have different goals in the dilemma? Are they in conflict? Are they in harmony? Are they in discord? Again, all of these lenses can help you consider different aspects and nuances of the dilemmas.